Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And we're back at it again under Project Nitro. What you're looking at is the replacement power steering rack for it. I couldn't wait, so I went ahead and ordered it. And I'm gonna worry about getting the other one back and get this thing in. All right, here we are. Got one getting ready to go out, and got the other one coming in. Get out! Get in that stuff. Still gotta get my shipping tape. I've got my packing slip on my return slip ready to go. I just gotta flip it up, get it out of here. So let's get this one back on the table here. This came with, I don't know if said I received the tie rod ends too. So I'm not sure if they're in the box with it. Came all at one time. Right again. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys all the way through the steps. You already saw it first time around. I'm just showing you the unboxing. See they actually, because again, unfortunately I misordered that, and that wound up being for 02 to 05 Liberty, which means it was the first, first generation Liberty. If it had been the second generation, if it had been the second generation Liberty, yep, they sent me the well, one says ours. That's what it looks like this time. All right. Turn around real quick. There we go. This way. Yeah, it's got this. Definitely got the same setup this time around. When you know. What did I just do this? Yep, this looks more like it this time. I'll leave one open. Right. Okay. Now we'll check it over good this time. No crimp lines this time, I don't think. Beautiful. All right. Okay, good. Locked in there. Okay. Held those in there. The other ones were on that other one. Didn't come with them. All right. Look like we're in good shape this time. I think that one's going to slide right up in that. Being the same one, you can see that your steering gear. It's the steering gear is what they call it, not a steering rack, but you can see that's a much fatter bolt hole, or fatter bolt than the other one. So, all right, I'm just going to go ahead and get this put in. Get that set up there, get it lined up. Should be good. Okay, it is installed. I just got done torquing it. It's 130 foot-pounds. I wound up using a 11/16 wrench and socket on those. I didn't have a metric. I don't have a metric socket that big. Okay, so it is installed now. When it comes to being bolted in. Next thing, go ahead and get our lines bolted in. We've got a freaking broken transmission cooler line. I'm not happy about. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, let me get the other one out. Put the transportation. Other lines. This one here is a push in, pull out. Nope. Spin it around. That's right. Get it all dirty. Sit back in there. Okay. Yeah. You should line up pretty easy this time. I'm assuming. Oh man, it's not going in. You little shh. Jesus. Come on. She just finger tight, go right on in there, and we're good. You winning that? You're acting like you're not gonna go in. You should just go right on in. Right on in like nothing. You just go finger start right on in there. Oh my God. You screw me up. Oh, she's going. Man, I don't know why it was so hard. I don't know what happened. I don't know why she was being funky. It's pretty hard getting it in right now. It's going in. The B-knot's not what is. All your B-knot's doing is holding it in. Man, my God. You don't want to cross that, but I don't know what was going on. Acted like the threads were screwed up in it. But it finally took. Now see if I can see a problem with the other one. It wasn't on the other one. But then again, like I said, I just found out it was wrong vehicle. Let's see. Nope. Come on, what's wrong with these threadings and this? Neither one of these wanted to go in there nicely. Man, come on. Alright. Neither one of them want to go in there nicely. It's like I got it. That's it. Alrighty. I know on the freaking that doesn't look too healthy either. Not like I'm back in there. No. Over here. So the bolts are torqued. My cooling lines are installed. Now, let's slide Mr. Main line on there now. Steering handle. I've got to find a bolt. Steering wheel straight. Popping into beautiful. Alright. Now I've got to find a bolt. I'm going to go through there properly. Bolt is I broke off. Might be close. Right, yeah. That's it. Alright, I'll actually screw through it, so I need one like this. I need it longer. Alright, so that's where I'm at. We now have that installed. Now I need a, we're going to find the tie rod ends and we'll put them on the end as close as possible. And we can go from there. Alright, I just got done torquing the intermediate, what's called the steering column, or the steering gear intermediate shaft bolt for 97 and earlier, or 07 or earlier is 36, anything 08 and later is 39 foot-pounds. So that is done. I found a grade A bolt, grade 8 bolt, and a locking nut. And I tucked that down and I put some Loctite on it. So the steering column is now, our steering rack is now installed. Let's see. Actually, I found an original bolt that came out of one. And then, of course, unfortunately, I had to drill through to get that other bolt out, as you saw, and I was able to find a locking nut for that, and then torqued it down. We're now in great shape. Next, I'll go ahead and I gotta find the tie rod ends, and then we'll get those on there. I'll count my threads on the end here as close as I can on both sides, and we'll get them on there, get them installed back in the steering knuckles, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so that takes care of episode 9, getting the steering rack replaced and installed after getting the wrong one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and let's try and get this motor back in. Just a quick add-on to that tranny cooling line. I just use what socket's that? $18. Okay. That was an 18. I held it with a crescent wrench, and I was able to pop that right out. Fan-freaking-tastic.